many challenges, but let me focus on one that is a topic that I have studied quite a bit in my research. That would be biases. Now, GenAI tools add an important twist on how we think about biases, or maybe how we should think about biases. So in a way, there are quite a few biases of traditional, let me call them traditional machine learning models. Like this would be, think of them as discriminatory type of biases, like gender bias or racial bias or any other kind of bias, right? And so these are then linked to laws, policies, various trustworthy AI, ethical AI initiatives and whatnots, right? And I have a research study on that, on anti-discrimination laws, AI, and gender bias. But these generative AI tools are susceptible to a different kind of bias, which is a decision bias, like risk aversion, loss aversion, overconfidence, framing, and there are many other things. Now, think of that in the following sense, is that as these models become more human-like, they also become more human-like in terms of biases. As organizations are using these tools to delegate or even substitute human decisions, Walmart, for example, uses GenAI tools for contract negotiations, right, where these tools are acting kind of as if they are buyers on the Walmart side. Right? Everything we know about decision biases of human buyers is now relevant in the context of generative AI tools. Right? Realize it's a very different bias from the racial bias and whatnot. These are biases in decisions made by artificial intelligence systems. And fortunately, myself and my research teams have another work in progress on this topic too. The paper is called "A Manager and AI Walk into a Bar. Does ChatGPT Make Biased Decisions Like We Do?"